Hello, Ms. Frida and Mr. Lay. I am Amber Burnett, a data scientist for Data Analytics DDS. My contact information is included here for your convenience. Thank you for allowing me to be here today to report my attrition analysis on your company. I noticed your company prides itself on the phrase, "Our associates are more than just members of our team. They are part of our family." With that being said, from our family at DDS Analytics to yours at Frito-Lay, we are here to support you by keeping members of this family together for years to come. So how might I help with your turnover here at Frito-Lay? First, let's dig into the data. There are a number of factors that correlate to attrition. Among them, the factor that is most significant is overtime. As you can see from the large blue bubble on your right on the graph, overtime has a very strong correlation. Next, you will see job involvement, total working hours, stock option level, and job satisfaction that are also correlated with attrition. These are very important factors that contribute to turnover within your company. Here are some interesting trends from the data that are obviously causing problems for your company. In the best interest for your company in retaining employees, I ask you to consider these key factors as important to bring to your attention. Since there are a lot of factors that affect attrition, I focused on the three most significant factors affecting attrition here. First, let's look at overtime. From the graph, you can see that employees working overtime have significantly higher attrition rates than those employees who have normal working hours. The people who leave the company tend to work more overtime than those who stay, especially if you look at the first few years of employment with the company. Moving on, the next key factor that influences attrition is job involvement. As you can see from the plot, as employees are more engaged and involved in their company, regardless of their job roles, they are more likely to stay within the company here at Frito-Lay. In addition, you can see here that the job role of sales representatives seems to have a higher turnover rate than the other job roles listed. Last but not least, the third important factor that influences attrition within your company is job satisfaction. As you can see from the graph, as employees are more satisfied with the job, regardless of their job roles, they are more likely to stay with the company. Based on the interesting trends and important factors I just mentioned, I wanted to further investigate whether those trends are persistent controlling for other factors. In order to examine these trends, controlling for other factors simultaneously, I chose to use powerful statistical methods to do so. As a solution to your company's attrition problems, I used powerful statistical methods such as the k-nearest neighbors method and the logistic regression method to predict possible attrition or turnover at Frito-Lay. Based on the accuracy of the prediction, I selected the results from the logistic model because of the higher specificity of 0.78 for a logistic model versus a 0.75 for the KNN. In addition, this method also offers estimates on the impacts of each factor and their associated statistical significance, so it's easier to pick the top three. Besides predicting attrition rate as an added bonus, I've also built a custom linear model for Frito-Lay that provides salary predictions. If you would like to estimate the salary or revise the salary for your current and future employees, especially when considering employee retention, please have a look at this model. Now, some recommendations that I might offer you to lower attrition are: promote a positive work-life balance for employees, because those who work overtime seem to be getting burnt out and tend to quit more than people who work normal hours. Perhaps you could increase employee engagement and excitement. Those who feel like they're a part of the family are probably going to stay. And finally, employees are significant, so use the methods and the model that our company has helped you with today. Now, thank you from our family to yours in helping you solve your attrition problem. We all know that your family, your employees, and you at Frito-Lay are all that, and yes, a bag of chips. Thank you.